Hey everyone, Ace Marasigan here. Ace is a realtor bringing you the best of places, people, things to do, things to know in West Michigan. Now I'm here today in Lion Square, downtown Grand Rapids, talking to my good friend, Candice, owner and operator of Tours of Michigan. Hello, Candice.
Hi, thanks for talking about Tours around Michigan. This is great.
Can you please tell us a little bit about yourself, your business, and the ghost tours of downtown Grand Rapids? Sorry, I couldn't help myself.
No, that's okay. That's okay. I actually cover more than just Grand Rapids. So I cover many areas of West Michigan and the state. So we can spread it out there. So this is such a great city. You know, it has a great community spirit, and that turns into so many awesome things that can be shared here. On my tours, I like to share the history, the art, ghost stories. Which we actually have quite a few ghosts here in Grand Rapids. We're standing by the river here, and the river is where our city got its name, because there used to be rapids here that were about a mile long. So a lot of people don't know where the name came from. So it's fun to share that. And so even on my social media, I just try to share different tidbits about the city and the state and kind of facts that people didn't know. So people are always surprised to hear we had a mob boss here. And that's McKay, actually, where that McKay Tower is named after.
Oh.
And we just have so many awesome things to share here.
Well, that's really interesting.
Yeah.
Well, I want to know more about what you do, but in case someone wants to get a hold of you for the tour, how can they get a hold of you?
I'm always sharing on my social media for Tours Around Michigan, and they can go to my website at toursaroundmichigan.com, and they can call me, email me. I'm always happy to help, and even if somebody can't take a tour, I always like to just help people enjoy the city. So if they have questions about food or a place to go or something to see, I'm always happy to help them, and then maybe they'll take a tour next time they're in town.
I love it. Candice, thank you so much. I'm going to be putting Candice's information in the comment below. And for people, if you're thinking about moving to West Michigan or interested about buying or selling your home, please give me a call. See ya. Dance party. Woo.